I am just honestly just so tired of spending money on my skin. I hate having troubled skin. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me as I do a review on the Urban RX product. So I'm gonna let you know, I've definitely tried this product before, but I was not consistent with using this face wash, every day. And so when I remember the first time I tried it, it was kind of harsh on my skin. I'm not sure if I tried it in the winter when of course the season was a little bit more dry, and so I was definitely more prone to dryness during that time. And I stopped using the product because I was like, yeah, I don't want anything to be drying out my skin. Now overall, my skin type is a combination skin, so I'm definitely like oily in my T-zone area, and then I am more dry like on my chin, around this area, and then around the sides of my face. So I'm a combination skin type. Now I'm gonna tell you what actually made me want to try this product again. So one day I was sitting at work, and it's COVID, I'm working from home, and I decided to honestly to take a picture without my filter on. And when I saw the discoloration in my face, I was like, whoa, I have to do something about this immediately. So I'm not gonna lie, right after work, I decided to go try this product. And yeah, I actually started to do some research about this product again, and so I decided to go ahead and try it again. And so right after work, I was like, I got to go ahead and do something about this because this is not cool. So I went ahead and I went to, by the way, it was Ulta, to buy this product. I wanted to just actually try the soap, and of course while I was there I found another part of the product, or another product that I needed as well, that's within this line. So to do this review, I wanted to make sure that it's a fair review. One of the things that I'm not good with is, using something on my face consistently. And when it comes to your face or the skin on your face, you definitely want to be consistent with what you're using, because that's the only way really that you are going to know if the product is working. So I was gonna buy the bigger bar. The bigger bar is about $14.99, but while I was there and I was gonna go check out, I saw, that they had a smaller bar, like a trial bar, and so I decided to pick this bar up. I wasn't sure if it was actually gonna come with the sponge in it because it was so small, but it did, and so I was happy about that. The way that you use this, of course, you'll wet the sponge and then you'll go ahead and rub it on the soap. As you can see here, that I cut out a little piece because I wanted one of my sisters to try it. So bought this. And then of course, if you are, managing or dealing with discoloration of your skin, you want to ensure, of course, that you are using a sunscreen. And because it is summer, I'm doing a lot of exercise outside, so I definitely need a sunscreen, and so I bought this as well. And then I also bought the retinol repair. And overall, these three products was about $60. So I started using this product. Initially, when I started using it, I did notice, of course, that around my dry area, that you know, the soap did dry this out, because overall this is really a bar soap. It does have like great ingredients in there, but it's still a bar soap. And so I started to have the dryness around this area again, and I didn't want to stop using the product, so I just made sure that, you know, when I use the product, that I moisturize my skin as much as I can, and mainly focus on this area. And I would say that honestly, a few days into using this product, I no longer had the dry issues around this area, because this is by far the most sensitive part of my skin, around this area here. So I've been using this product now for about 2 weeks, and I did notice a really significant difference in my skin in terms of the discoloration. I'm wearing actually just a little bit of powder here, so this is not my natural skin without any makeup. I am gonna of course do a clip with me not wearing any makeup, because of course you want to see exactly, you know, what has happened with my skin over the last 2 weeks. I will say that I have seen a significant difference, like as it comes to the discoloration, I see a lot of it going away. And then just a more smoother skin. I will honestly say though that I don't feel like, and I don't want to be pessimistic, but I'm not sure honestly if this is going to overall get rid of all of my discoloration. I really feel like I do need to get some professional assistance with my skin to get rid of the discoloration, or to even get it better. But I will say that this product has made a significant difference, and so I'm overall happy with it. I did do some research on this, you know, like who created this, because it's called Urban RX, and it is you know, focusing on people of color, and so people with a lot of melanin in their skin, like people like myself. And so it was developed by a dermatologist. I actually read her bio. She's actually not a African American or a black person, or a person of brown skin. I like to say people have brown skin and not black skin, but yeah. Anyways, so she is like Russian and mixed with some other you know, culture and race. So the name of the founder who found this product, her name is Rachel Roff. I hope I'm saying her last name correctly. It's spelled R-O-F-F. And I did read her bio because I was very, of course, interested on where the name Urban RX actually came from. And I kind of also wanted to get the background story of this product. So I read her bio. She's actually not like an African American or person, a brown skin person. She is Russian, and she's mixed with some other race there, but she had a great desire to help people, you know, of color with you know, skin issues. And so she decided to, you know, focus on that. So that's her main focus. It's dealing with, you know, people of color, getting a product out there for people of color, because she herself actually endured a lot of, you know, skin issues. And so that actually motivated her to also develop a product for people of color. And so that is the founder. I read her bio, very interesting. If you want to actually read her bio, of course, like, I'll leave some information in my description box here. But like I said, I just wanted to kind of get the background story on how this product was developed. I'm that kind of person. I like to know, you kind of, you know, do some research, what I'm using on my skin, like, you know, what motivated this individual to develop the product and where it came from. It's very important to know that information. So anyways, again, back to my skin. I will say overall that this product has has done what it, you know, said that it does, and is to help with your discoloration. Now she does have some other line. I'm going to actually try the other line, and the other line, she has a number of different soaps, by the way. But one that I want to try is the one that's for acne prone skin, because I do have, you know, my acne outbreaks, and so I'm going to also try that product and of course do a review on it. All right, beautiful people, so thank you for watching this video. If you decide to try this product or you have any questions before you try the product, please leave them in my comment box below. I'll definitely get back to you all with a response. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.